In this video demonstration, it is shown how to control a stepper motor with Arduino using different step modes, including single coil steps, double coil steps, interleaved coil steps, and microsteps. The code is written and compiled using Platform IO. Let me clear the serial monitor. This is the Arduino sketch. The code is explained in details in the link provided in the video description below. Also, if you need, you can download this code from the same link. Here you can see how the stepper motor is connected to the L293D Arduino motor shield. Type in S in the serial monitor to rotate the stepper motor using single step mode. Similarly, type D to rotate the stepper motor using double step mode. And type I to rotate the stepper motor with interleaved coil mode. Finally, type M to rotate the stepper motor in microsteps mode. You can use R to release the torque. Thank you for watching.